welcome back. Today we shall be looking into theory of logarithm. Let's start with index form. So the index form of 100 is 10 raised to power 2. The index form of 100 is 10 raised to power 2. That is, the base here is 10. Now, since the base here is 10, we can decide to turn this to logarithm in the base of 10. Just because the base here is 10. In the base of 10, we can say log base 10, 100 is the same thing as log base 10, 10 raised to power 2. So you need to take note of one thing. You take note of this, that anytime you have log base x, x raised to power n, that is, your number is having power, then it will still do the same thing as you having n log base x, x. That is, the power of the number will turn to coefficient of logarithm. Now, you should also take note of one thing, that anytime you have log base x, x, if your number is still the same thing as your base, then you should know that it is going to give you 1. That is to say, log base 2 is 1, log base 3 is 1, log base 4 is 1, and so on. Now, let us go back to our solution. So from there, we can simplify that further. Log base 10, 100 to be equal to, since this 10 has power here, so it is now 2 log base 10, 10. And since you already know that anytime the base is still the number, so which means log base 10, 10 is 1. So we have log base 10, 100 to be equal to 2 times 1, meaning log base 10, 100 is equal to 2. Yes, log base 10, 100 is equal to 2. You can confirm that with your calculator. Log base 10, 100 will give you 2. Now, also, let's look for the index form of 25 also. As you all know that the index of 25 is 5 raised to power 2. Yes, 5 raised to power 2. Now let us turn this to logarithm as usual. But don't forget, this time around, the base of that logarithm is going to be 5. Just because the base of this index is 5. So we just have log base 5 of this 25 to be equal to log base 5, 5 raised to power 2. It's the same thing as this. Now we can simplify further. Log base 5, 25 will be equal to the power of this number we turn to coefficient as given here. So that is 2 log base 5, 5. And don't forget, when your base is same as your number, that is base 5, 5, the logarithm of base 5, 5 is 1. So we have log base 5, 25 to be 5 times 1. 5 times 1. That gives log base 5, 25 to be the same thing as, sorry, this is 2. From here, 2 times 1, 2. That is going to be 2. So we have it in logarithmic form. So log base 5, 25 is going to give us 2. Now let us look at it generally. Generally, when you have x in index form to be, let's say, y raised to power z. Now, as you can see here, that the index form of x is y raised to power z, we can bring this to logarithmic form, but the base of that logarithm is going to be base y. So we have log base y x to be the same thing as log base y, y raised to power z. In that case, don't forget that this number is having power. Then we have log base y x to be the same thing as z log base y, y. The power will turn to coefficient of the logarithm. And as we can see that log base y, y is 1. So we have log base y x to be the same thing as z times log base y, y is 1. So finally we have log base y x to be the same thing as z log base y x to be the same thing as z. This is the general form. This is the general form.